Once you've started investing, the next step is learning how to build and maintain your portfolio. And that's where a few smart actions can really pay off. An investment portfolio is a collection of various financial assets that you've invested in, such as stocks, bonds, commodities, and cash, working together to help you meet your financial goals. Let's start with something that can make a huge difference over time: tax efficiency. This simply means choosing investments that can help you minimize the tax you pay. This is not tax evasion. This is taking advantage of the tax rules that are designed to encourage you to invest for your future. Maximizing these advantages can really make a difference. ISAs are a popular place to start. Investments in ISAs pay no income tax, no dividend tax, no capital gains tax. And you've got a few different options to choose from. Each one gives your money that tax-free badge of honor. Then there are pensions. These are like your long-term growth engines. The money you put in benefits from tax relief, grows tax-free, and if you're in a workplace pension, your employer might even top it up too. You can also take up to a quarter of your pension investment tax-free also. The only catch is that you can't access your pension until a certain age. That age is currently 55. So it's one to think of as a pot for your future. Next up, diversification. Essentially, don't put all your eggs in one basket. It means spreading your money across different underlying investments. That way, if one area has a wobble, it doesn't bring everything down with it, giving your portfolio a better shot at steady growth over time. Then think about product usage. This is about putting your investments in the right type of account to make the most of those tax allowances. For example, you can invest up to £20,000 each year into a stocks and shares ISA. Then, with pensions, the tax allowance can go up to £60,000 a year. But that amount usually only applies if you earn around that much or more. So depending on your income, that can mean up to £80,000 of potential tax-efficient investing each tax year. As time goes on, it's important to regularly review and rebalance your portfolio. That just means checking how your investments are doing and making small adjustments if needed. Over time, some investments will grow faster than others, and that can shift your overall risk level. By checking in now and then and rebalancing maybe once or twice a year, you can keep your portfolio aligned with the goals and risk tolerance and make sure it stays as tax efficient as possible. Finally, don't overlook the value of professional advice. If your portfolio is getting larger, a qualified financial advisor could help you plan more strategically. They'll guide you through tax implications, fees, and help you choose the most suitable product for your situation.